thinking of painting the nursery back to art, right? But I'm actually feeling
like you have a little bit of trust that you wouldn't poke your eye out. I have no trust in the robot.
Like 10 minutes, but I'll still like drop
to not poke my eye out.
I hate it. I can't. I've never had that. In 1780 to make the removal of pelvic bone easier and less time-consuming. Now,
dude, pay attention.
Have like an engine.
The second time you haven't gone at a green light. What's going on there? Is that another Tesla plate?
Yeah, they're doing
Bro! What the fuck?
the left lane to turn slightly right onto Nashua Street.
Fuck, dude!
Use the left
Made me
lane
miss
to
my
turn
turn.
slightly right onto Nashua.
Fuck you!
In 800 feet, slight right to stay on Main Street.
Sorry? What was that shit move?
Another opportunity of a lifetime that slipped away, and that's a perfect month. But when you take the punch, don't you ever forget.
E's and Z's, so they don't actually have to be there. And then we could plan for a later start time.
Yep.
But then I also have to check it with Emily and see if that's okay with Emily. It's just like, yeah, just a minor.
Okay, you guys do your shit. Did you stall? Okay, I don't think you can do that, but alright.
So here's an average guy who can, again, fit comfortably in an Arizona can.
Whoa!
You think he should just walk away? He
What
shouldn't
the
even give it a
fuck,
shot.
T?
Can I just say this? Lisa Maine alluded to this. This is Steven Singer's brilliant, most loved engagement ring. She takes the stress and guesswork out of finding the perfect ring. We're talking about a bright white, 100% eye flawless, near colorless, high quality, round, brilliant cut diamond.
Oh, every time. I think a lot of them probably you can find it on eBay now for like double the price. But
But I think there's a lot of losers like me that just think stupid stuff is cool.
yeah,
It's cool, yeah.
for sure. There's a lot of that out there. We'll take a break. When we come back in a moment, what girly things are more Japanese men doing as the pandemic rolls on? What's up with the Asians is up after this.
Previously on Dave and Chuck the Freak.
There was a car crash in the Swiss Alps involving a
What are you fucking doing?
Mercedes-Benz, Porsche 911 Cabriolet, and a Bugatti Chiron. Baby, let's move slow. Master and commander, I'll handle you how you wanna be. Handle channel, the rock from trying to set it.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Your dirty mind, the ones you never share.
doing? Yeah, okay. Same fucking lady.
What the fuck?
Minnesota. Only thing
Woo, that's not legal. That's the same fucking truck.
Apparently so different.
About it, but yeah. Just, yeah, I don't know. Oh, dude. Sorry.
Restrictions apply. New Performance Pro Internet customers only. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. After promo, regular rates apply.
This Veterans Day, Duncan salutes all those who help keep America running
this
by
is a one-way
inviting all
street.
veterans and active duty military to enjoy a free donut in store. It's a sweet thank you from Duncan to all veterans and active troops.
Hey, it's a one-way street. Fuck you.
Duncan.
What the fuck?
Diagnose cancer this month alone. Learn more at onemission.org. That's ONEmission.org.
If you want the best deal on Bridgestone winter tires,
What
get
the
to
fuck
Fair
is
Tires.
that?
To get Bridgestone tires with a guaranteed low.
Man, fuck rap. I'll make 100 million without it. Just to shove it down the throat of everybody who doubted.
No, dude. You gotta go now. Sorry, bro, but you gotta go now.
Her latest do-it-yourself project.
The one in the car accidentally bumped into her.
How did I get directly behind her?
Jason let a little
buddy. Fuck's sake, man.